Yo ho ho ho, listen close, me hearties. A warm beam shined on Hammer's head, go warn the far-off town, it said. But Hammer gulped and turned around, hopped a boat for sea-bound ground. The sky went dark, the waves grew tall, a mighty storm to wake them all. Don't run, Hammer! Don't run away! Don't run, Hammer! Face the day! Overboard he goes, curse splash down, down, down in a salty crash. Gulp, a great big fish, chomp, chomp, chomp. Inside the belly dark and deep, Hammer cried and could not sleep. I was wrong, I ran, I hid, I'll go and do what I was bid. A whisper warm inside the gloom, light came creeping through the room. Go on, Hammer! Here I go! Go on, Hammer! Steady, slow! Fish went pitch-wee on the sand, Hammer stood on dry, dry land. When the call sounds big and the road feels long, the one who sends you makes you strong. You are not alone, you are not alone. Courage, little Hammer, walk on, yo ho! Face the scary, don't you flee. The voice that called you sails with thee.